It's an unhealthy relationship we have. I mean, if you don't see why I love this outfit, I mean, we're just wasting our time here. Don't even get me started. Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite outfits. I don't know where I got the idea to do this video. I remember I done it before in the first lockdown because I had nowhere to go, so I wanted to dress up. So here we are again in lockdown part 2. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite outfits. And this is like the winter, fall, autumn, winter, whatever you want to call it, edition, which is my favorite time of year. So it's time where I invest more in my wardrobe. So you'll see a few more hauls this time of year. So let's get into it. Outfit number 1. Okay, so I don't know if you know this, but I've been recently fell in love with leather. And I got this blazer a few weeks ago now off Zara. And I've been loving it. Like, I didn't wear it for the first couple of weeks because I wasn't fully comfortable enough in it at that stage, but I found a way to make it work for me. I have this leather blazer and I'm going to style it with this green knit. I love, if you don't know me, okay, so if you don't know me, a few things about me. I love green, I love interior design, and I love fashion, but you know, fashion's been a bit more of a journey for me. So I have this really cute little green jumper knitted thing from Zara as well. I really like the green and the black together because I feel like, I don't know, it just makes me feel nice. I don't know, like I thought like the white and the black is nice obviously, but I just think this kind of gives a bit of like earthiness. It kind of tames down the leather, if that makes any sense, so it doesn't make it as much of a focal point. And instead of the underneath being black and having it very monochrome, this is kind of adds a bit of like color to it, which I like as well, because I don't have much color. Just if you didn't know that, I don't have much color in my wardrobe. And then I also have these are like my new obsession. I love these so much. I got these like at the beginning of the summer, I think, and boy have I got my wear out of them because I wear these all the time. They're so comfy, they fit me so well, and I like the pattern in it. It's not too much, but like it just adds that extra bit to an outfit. So yeah, we're going to show these on. For shoes, I have these loafers. So for the shoes I was like, like you can do boots, or I just thought like the loafers kind of made it a bit more dressy. I don't know, I was wearing boots a lot like when I picked this outfit, so I was like, you know, I need to change it up a bit, so that's why I'm wearing loafers with them. Let's put it on. Ta-da! I love it. I just feel like such a boss, so like put together. I just think it's a very nice outfit. I do really love the leather. Like, I mean, if you told me at the beginning of 2020 that I'd turn into a leather obsessed person, I'd be like, good one. But now that I've experienced leather, it's not even real leather. Just I want to put that out there because I'm vegan and I would never condone that. It's a very nice faux because it's so buttery and soft, and you may ask me like, oh, if you're vegan, why would you even promote the use of leather? Well, it's not promoting the use of leather, it's just the fabric and the texture of it that I like, against your knits and your linens and everything else. I think it's a very nice combination. I had to put in my favorite accessory, which is my cross. I got this for my 22nd birthday. It's from a Soma. You can pick it up yourself if you want. It's really nice. I wear this every day. It's my Swarovski bracelet. It's just really cute. And I like, it's not too much, but like it gives it a bit of bling, just to kind of complete the ensemble. I mean, can you even see me over here, or is this like a whole waste of time? Let's just pretend you can. And then obviously I have my shoes as well. They're just simple loafers, like nothing too complicated. We're not gonna try too hard here. And that is this outfit. I've worn this once, but I'll probably wear it again because I actually do really like it. But also, you know, you can mix and match and twist things around and have a bit of fun with it, because at the end of the day, like it's fashion, so there's no rules when it comes to it. Well, I mean, at least I don't think there's any rules anyway. It's like design. There's no rules in design, like it's an expression of yourself. Okay, so for outfit number 2, I'm gonna keep these because, as I already mentioned, I love them. So, and I'm gonna swap out the kind of knitted jumper to a black turtleneck because, I mean, it's autumn, winter. If turtlenecks aren't a staple in your wardrobe through this season, I mean, I'm sorry, we can't be friends. I apologize, but this one's just from River Island. I got this like last year, about this time last year. I have like 3 black turtlenecks, but this one's my favorite just because I like the material the best. It looks the most expensive, even though it wasn't the most expensive, so that's interesting to know. I just feel like it, yeah. So this, and then making a return this year, I got this last year as well, is my black fur coat. I mean, it's not fur, it's like obviously it's not real fur because I would never. What's inside the pocket? Oh yeah, my card and things, because this is the most recent outfit I was wearing to work. So yeah, I just really like this combination. And I had the loafers on again, so I mean, same base, same bottoms, just different top, and it makes all the difference. So let's put this on. Outfit number 2, and just like that, it's that easy to go from, like, you know, leather to fur. Not real fur, not real leather, just gonna keep clarifying that. I love this outfit. Like, this is one of my favorite jackets that I own. I got it last year in Galway, and it was like an impulse buy, and I've never been so glad of an impulse buy because something in my soul was telling me I needed this, and here we are with it, and I'm delighted. I love black, and I love white, and I love grey, and then I like a little tiny pop of colour. I wouldn't be a very colourful dresser, if that makes any sense. I just feel more myself when I'm either in black or white or grey with a pop of colour, like the overshirts and everything else. But like, then again, I don't feel, I feel like just nice like this, if you know what I mean. Like, I just love how like, you know, furry this is and warm. I wore this the last day to work, and it was like 6 degrees outside, and like in the morning time that's very cold, so you're like, oof. And I was like, oh my god, this is so nice just to kind of wrap and then run to the car. Yeah, I just really like this. I just think it's such a simple outfit, but it's such like a nice outfit, if you know what I mean. Like, it's not like, oh my god, like, Jesus, what's he wearing? It's like, that's simple but effective. I think especially in my line of work, you know, you have to kind of look presentable, because realistically, you know, you're kind of selling a lifestyle of your work. So I just think this is a nice kind of outfit for a daily kind of run to work. And my loafers again. I mean, you could obviously wear boots with this if you wanted, but like, I mean, I don't really think you need it. When the weather gets a bit colder, I'll probably wear boots. But I mean, the weather is still pretty cold at the moment, and like, I don't know, my ankles don't get cold. Weird. My fingers do. Like, my upper body gets cold, but my ankles don't get cold, so I don't know what that's about. But yeah, let's go on to the next outfit. Okay, and for outfit number 3, I'm going to throw on this white, well, it's like an off-white knit. It's like the green one, but in white, and I'm so glad I got one of each color, because these have been like my staple in my wardrobe. Like, I've worn them so often. But this, and then if you remember from my previous clothing haul, I got this like yellow kind of plaid overshirt thing. This, I cannot even say or describe how much I love this. Like, I love this so much, like, it's not even funny. It's an unhealthy relationship we have. We have an unhealthy relationship. So this, I just put the hanger in my mouth. This, and then I'm gonna keep I kept the trousers the same as the previous 2, which is these. When I tell you I've lived on these, I'm not even exaggerating. And then I have 2 options for the shoes. So I was wearing these ones with it. Now, the first time I wore this outfit, I wore the like shiny leather ones, but they are too big for me, and because I have no patience, I didn't return them to exchange them, so I ordered another pair in the size down because I thought I could make the bigger size work, but I couldn't, and here we are. So have patience when you order stuff online. That's the lesson to learn here. Don't make my mistake and not return it and then order it again in a size down. So I bought 2 of them. Don't even get me started. So this is outfit number 3, I think. Yeah, I just think it's very like fresh and bright and happy, and I think that's very important, especially in these current times. Oh my god, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to show you which face mask I use with each outfit. I'd wear like a black one with this, my black silk one, just because like there's a black down here, just to tie it up here, you know, because otherwise it can look a bit wish-washy. But I do like this. This is like one of my favorite purchases I've ever made. I just really like it. And then obviously I have my chain here as well, because I love having my cross on me at all times. It just gives me like a security or something. I don't know, I just feel like it. And I go with these trousers. I mean, obviously I've worn this outfit with black corduroy trousers as well, which also looks really nice. Just if you wanted to mix it up. Now this is from Zara. These are from, I honestly don't know, to be honest. These are from Topman. I got these from Topman when I was in New York, so they hold a special place in my heart. Let's move on to the next outfit. Finally, we're gonna change the bottoms, okay, into these black ones. These are Dickies. I got these actually tailored at the bottom just so they don't like go as wide, because I don't like wide trousers. So these, my black trench coat, and then this grey tunic, and then my black leather, you know, the shiny ones, them Chelsea boots. So these and these. Okay, so I show you like when I face mask, so you can kind of get like an idea of how I look on the day-to-day. If you're wondering where the face masks are from, they're from an Irish designer. Her name is April Milan, and she does these like gorgeous silk face mask, and it just feels so nice against your skin. I'm out of breath. I don't even know how I'm out of breath. Like, I mean, I did run up the stairs, but like, I mean, the normal ones, you know, the kind of hospital ones, well, they started like breaking out my skin, and that wasn't gonna happen. So I found these, and I was like, perfect solution. The amount of people I've convinced to buy these is actually insane, but they're so worth it. So like, I mean, this isn't sponsored, by the way. I'm just so obsessed with these that like, you should definitely get one. I'll leave Ava's details down below because she does them in a few different colors. I have black, I have the emerald green one. She also does pink, fuchsia, loads of different colors. So definitely go and check them out and buy one, you know, support local. I mean, if you don't see why I love this outfit, I mean, we're just wasting our time here. We have the grey, black, easy peasy, but it's these like lovely, what are they called again? Dickies. This black trench coat. I mean, classic, timeless. Everyone should have a trench coat in their wardrobe. At least a black one. At least a black one in their wardrobe. And then these leather shoes from Zara. I do have a lot of other outfits I've been wearing, but these have been my like favorite ones, the ones I felt most comfortable in, the ones I felt myself in. Because you know, you put on an outfit sometimes and it might look amazing, but you just kind of feel like a bit in it. Well, these ones don't make me feel like that. These ones make me feel so confident and so powerful, and just like I can do anything. And that's the power of fashion, is it not? The power of design, the power of creating stuff. Like, this is a creation of an outfit formed together in my head. So same with your spaces. Your spaces are a creation of, or an outward projection of you. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more of these, my favorite outfit videos, do let me know. I have a new clothing haul coming up because I don't even want to get into it right now. I think I'll save that whole confession for when the clothes arrive and I film the video, because I've never spent that much money in my life on clothes in one going. And it may have been a slight impulse, but you know, the way I look at it is Christmas is coming. I'm going to be buying a lot of stuff for other people. I might be getting like kind of sad that I don't get anything, you know, so by me buying all this stuff now means I can just focus on getting other people's stuff and not have to be like, oh, I kind of want that, or I wouldn't mind that myself. Like, at least I'm getting out of my system. It's like a detox. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what videos you'd like to see next, any reaction videos. Who do you want me to react to? Come on guys, you're getting loads of suggestions. I'm gonna have to go looking for myself now, and then I don't even know if I'll find someone that you actually want to see. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. What I say? Will I? Bigger project coming in January. That's all I'm gonna say. Bigger transformation coming in January. It's the first I've done of this type of room. So I'll let you figure that one out yourself. Bye.